Welcome to the fascinating world of botany. Today, we're going on a journey to explore one of the most unique and intriguing families in the plant kingdom, Annonaceae. Also known as the custard apple family, this group of plants is home to some of the most delicious and exotic fruits you've ever seen, like the sugar apple and the soursop. But Annonaceae is more than just tasty treats. Its members have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and have even been found to have potential anti-cancer properties. Join me as we delve into the world of Annonaceae, and discover the secrets of these incredible plants. Family: Annonaceae. Class: Dicotyledons. Subclass: Polypetalae. Series: Thalamiflorae. Order: Ranels. About: 108 genera. 2,400 species. Distribution: mostly tropical. Habitat: mesophytic. Habit: shrubs, trees. Examples: tilde trees, Polyalthea, tilde shrub, tilde hook climber, Artibotries, Uvaria, tilde monopodial growth, Polyalthea, tilde sympodial, Atrabitricin. Aromatic wood due to oil passages in stem in the parenchyma cells. Leaves: simple, alternate exstipulate, petiolate with entire margin. Inflorescence: solitary, fascic lead and others. Flower: greenish yellow-brown, pedicellate, bisexual, actinomorphic, dichlamydous, hemicyclic, hypogynous. And trimerous. Calyx and corolla distinguished by size only. Hence is called perianth. Tilde sepaloids 3, small, polysepalis with valvate. Estivation: triangular in shape. Tilde petaloid. Petals 3 or 6, polypetalous with valvate. Estivation: imbricate in some, may be thick and fleshy. Shape of thalamus varies in Annonaceae. On the prolonged thalamus, stamens and 7 pistils are arranged spirally. Androecium: stamens numerous, free, spirally arranged, closely packed at basal part of thalamus. Tilde filament: short and thick, with adnate bithyx anther. Tilde dehiscence longitudinal and extrorse. Tilde connective is prolonged above the anthers to form an elongation called hood, so, hooded stamens. Genetium: ovary superior, multicarpillary. Apicarpus: spirally arranged on thalamus above the stamens. Tilde pistil with individual ovary, style, stigma. Inconspicuous. Fruit: aggregate fruit, etario of berries. Seed: endospermous, hard testa. Tegmen produced to numerous infoldings into the endosperm, ruminate endosperm. Embryo: small. Economic importance: edible, have medicinal value, such as ABTI bacterial, anti-cancer properties. Have ornamental value: wood or timber used for housing and carpentry. Habit: a small tree. Root: taproot, branched. Stem: aerial, woody, branched. Leaf: simple, alternate, exstipulate, entire, oblanceolate, obtuse. Inflorescence: axillary, 2 or more flowers arise in the axil of each leaf. Calyx: sepals 3, polysepalis, united at the base, valvate. Corolla: petals 3, polypetalous, fleshy, play yellow, valvate. Androecium: stamens numerous, spirally arranged on a conical receptacle, filaments short, anthers. Oblong, adnate and appendaged. Genetium: multicarpillary, apocarpus, spirally arranged, superior, each unilocular, ovule 1, basal placentation, style short, stigma long, tapering, papiose. Fruit: an etario of berries. Floral formula and diagram are as follows. Example: Cananga odorata. Habit: tree. Stem: erect, woody, aromatic, cylindrical, bark is smooth. Leaves: simple, alternate, exstipulate, aromatic pedicellate, base is often unequal, waxy margins. Inflorescence: raceme, 2 to 6 flowers on short, leafless, axillary shoots. Flowers: ebracciate, pedicellate, regular, actinomorphic, bisexual, hypogynous, spirocyclic. Calyx: sepals 3, valvate. Fruit: pendulous, consisting of many, 7 to 16, separate, globose obovoid. Monocarps. Seeds: flattened, ellipsoid. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the amazing world of Annonaceae. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel for more botanical adventures. Like this video to show your support. Share it with your friends and family to spread the knowledge. Comment below with your thoughts, questions, or suggestions. Your engagement is what keeps us going. Let's grow our community of plant enthusiasts together. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.